With 3.2 million deaths globally each year, indoor pollution is becoming a critical problem today. Most impacted are developing nations like Bangladesh, India, Tajikistan, etc. In the last few years, we have seen many reports of adverse effects of bad indoor air on children and older adults from various parts of India. To understand the indoor air pollution dynamics of developing nations like India, we developed DALTON, a distributed air quality monitor that is low cost, portable and interactive. The platform is designed based on the requirements of developing nations. The primary components included in the 3D printed hardware module are multi-channel gas sensor, dust sensor and the MHZ16 carbon dioxide sensor connected with an ESP32 microcontroller. DALTON brings in a closed-loop low-touch solution incorporating user feedback via a simple Android application and provides actionable insights to the user to improve the air quality. A real-world deployment scenario of the DALTON module is shown here. The app is used to provide user feedback like cooking vegetables. We observe that pollutants rapidly ventilate as the kitchen exhaust fan is turned on. We are more sensitive towards temperature, therefore in comfortable temperatures, occupants forgot to turn on exhaust, leading to unintentional exposure to pollutants. Without good ventilation, the pollutants spread from kitchen towards other rooms depending on the airflow. Here, we observed that even though cooking ended at T plus 11 minute, VOC spread to the dining area until T plus 17 minute due to the ceiling fan. It took T plus 48 minute to ventilate the VOC naturally without the exhaust fan. Moreover, we also observed that pollutants are impacted by cooking style. For instance, steaming results maximum pollutant accumulation compared to boiling and frying. We observed short-term pollution spike while cooking in kitchen. However, in bedrooms, long-term accumulation of pollutants is more severe and extensive use of split ACs compromises ventilation, resulting elevated pollution levels for extended periods. Therefore, it is statistically more harmful than the kitchen. To know more about such interesting pollution dynamics, please check out our paper and join us for an insightful discussion during our presentation at Compass 2024 in IIIT Delhi, India on 11th July. The DALTON platform is highly extensible and provides multi-point monitoring and collaborative decision-making on the fly with newer firmware upgrades. In future, we plan to focus on optimal placement of such devices to make the platform more effective and affordable. Thanks for listening. You can contact us by scanning the QR code. Thanks to Prime Minister Research Fellowship and Google Award for Inclusion Research on Societal Computing for supporting this work.